Now we need to count back in hundreds from a 3-digit number. So here we start with 955. So 9 hundreds, 5 tens and 5 ones. Counting back in hundreds means we're taking away 100 each time. So we have 855, 755, and then we can continue counting back in hundreds. So that means our hundreds digit decreases by 1 each time, but then our tens and ones digits stay the same because we're subtracting hundreds, not subtracting tens or ones. So then we get to 155, and if we subtract 100 from that, we just have 55. So we don't need to write 055 because we don't need zeros at the start of whole numbers. Now we have 903, so that's 9 hundreds, no tens and 3 ones. Then 803, 703, 603, and then we can continue counting back in hundreds, and we get to 103. So if we take away this last hundreds block, we just have 3.